She's in here, I'm not lying. I don't know if you can see her.
Maya!
Hi guys, and welcome back to Relax My Cat. My name is Savannah, and here, because it's cold, is Maya, and today's video is a super important one, I think. Especially if you're as paranoid as I am around this time of year in England. So with that said, this video is how to keep your cat safe during bonfire night. So in England on the 5th of November we have bonfire night, or Guy Fawkes night, which means there's lots of fireworks and parties, which is very fun but also very loud, especially if you have a pet. Because it is loud and people can misuse fireworks, I think it's important to do a quick video on keeping your cat safe over this night and happy. Keep your cat happy. So first, if your cat is an outdoor cat, bring them inside. When Maya used to be an outdoor cat, we would let her out in the morning, and then around about lunchtime she'd want to come back in, and then from lunch till the next day she'd stay in. Make sure you've got a litter tray set up and everything they could possibly need in case they do need to go outside. But don't let your cat out. Next, if your cat is scared of sounds, like the loud sounds of the fireworks or maybe any kind of parties going on, I really recommend, shameless self-plug, using our relaxing cat music. It works wonders for Maya when she's going to the vets, or if there are any kinds of parties happening nearby, and especially for fireworks. Make sure you've got a nice safe place for your cat to go where it's warm, it's quiet as you can get it. And mainly just a hidden warm area where your cat can feel safe and secure. And lastly, I think it's important to comfort your cat, but don't overdo it. If you're anything like me, you want to keep checking on them, make sure they're okay. Like, you're more worried about the sounds than they are most of the time. If you overdo it and your cat notices that you're anxious, they'll get anxious too. So make sure you comfort your cat, but try to keep the night going on as normal as you can. Don't overdo anything. Cats Protection also has a list of things that you can do on their website. I'll post that in the description for you. And yeah, just make sure you stay safe, keep your cats safe, and be vigilant. Make sure if you know if your cat is worried, play with them, keep them happy. And treats. Give them treats. Not too many treats though. Don't let them get fat. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you have a good bonfire night, and I hope you both stay safe, you and your cats. As always, at the end of the video we have a t-shirt winner to announce. T-shirt winner to announce. And I will do that for you now. So our winner this week is MV Unicorn Girly High. Congratulations, thank you so much for commenting, and thank you everyone else too. Unicorn Girly, make sure you head over to our Instagram and send us your size and your address so we can get a shirt sent out for you. Everyone else, don't worry, you can still comment on this video within 60 minutes of it going up, and be subscribed to Relax My Cat, and that enters you for next week. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next week. Thank you, bye bye.